Welcome to the channel. In this video we will create our first Airflow DAG. I have my local dev environment up and running. If you haven't set up your Airflow dev environment, please watch and follow the step from previous video on Airflow local environment. I'll create a DAG folder in my environment, and this Python file will keep my Airflow DAG. Airflow workflow is a Python object called DAG that encapsulate operator. So what I'll do, I'll first create a DAG object. So this is a DAG object. Let's import. I'll import it from Airflow. Import DAG. Next, I need a DAG ID for my DAG. I'll create a DAG ID. I keep the name hello DAG, and then for purpose of this video I want to use the bash operator. In detail we'll learn about bash operator. For this video just follow it. So let's first import the bash operator. Since I'm using Airflow 3, I'll import it from a standard provider. So airflow.provider operators, then bash, import bash, this bash operator inside DAG object. The bash operator expect a task ID. I'll keep the name print hello, and then it expect a bash command. Again, for purpose of this video I'll keep it simple, and I'll echo hello from Airflow. That's all you need. So this is very simple DAG in Airflow which will print hello from Airflow. Now let's go to UI. You can see the DAG is not appearing now. So what happened, Airflow in backend basically watch for a new DAG file or changes in the DAG file, and by default it try to refresh based on this based on refresh interval. By default this time is 300 seconds. So my DAG will appear after 5 minutes. So now you can see my DAG is appearing here. I'll open it, and you can see I have one task here, print hello. If you see it in graph view, it will look something like this one. So let's trigger it. So you can see this has succeeded. It has printed hello from Airflow, which is expected. So congratulations, you just created your first workflow in Apache Airflow. Now if you see the schedule here in UI, so this is empty. If I'll show you something like this one, and next run is also empty. So how we can control this one? Let's go to our DAG file and update the schedule and add the schedule parameter here. Let's say I want to run this DAG daily. I'll add daily, and I'll refresh my DAG. You can see now the schedule is set to daily, and next DAG run you can see is scheduled on 20 August 2025. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.